In this video, we're going to learn how to do Facebook media settings. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more educative content. If you're ready, let's do this. Open Facebook app. Locate Settings and Privacy tab. Scroll up to the Settings and Privacy button. Tap on it. Tap on Settings. Scroll down to find the Media tab. Tap on it to open. Here, you will be presented with a lot of options and tabs to turn on or off depending on your preference. There's the video quality option where you can opt for data saver or not. You can also set Facebook videos to autoplay via mobile internet data or Wi-Fi. You can choose not to autoplay videos too. There's also the option of not playing videos with sounds when your battery is low. It is a matter of pushing this blue tab. You can also reduce 3D photo motion with this button. Use the next button to automatically share Reels to your Facebook story to save time. Notification and other sounds from the Facebook app can be controlled by this tab. Check this box to use a third-party browser like Google Chrome, etc. to open links. If not, the Facebook app will serve as the browser and open links. I believe this was helpful to you. See you in the next one.